just in between, you know. Babe, if you behave yourself, you know. You must need to behave yourself. I wanna love, 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 every day and every night, every night. Good morning, guys. So I just finished washing our breakfast dishes, and at this point I'm just washing out a dish towel, and I'll be putting this on the line because outside it is hot and the sun is right on. Good afternoon, guys. So I'm here about to go in the shower. Obi and myself, we had planned to go for a quick walk before the children gets home from school. At this point, Obi is on his way from New York. He had went because of business purpose. I just spoke to him and he's in traffic, so by the next 20 minutes Obi will be here. So I'm just gonna jump in the shower and get ready by the time Obi gets here. Anyways, guys, my name is Sophie. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for even clicking on this video. Make sure you leave a sweet little comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see thus far. Thank you. We outside, guys. My baby is there, guys. We're strolling before the little ones. We have to go and get them. If you run with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay walking in the light of yeah. Beautiful day to be out enjoying each other's company, you know. You know, guys, I was saying to my hubby, we discovered this park, you know, about 2 years now, and to be honest, so disappointed. You know why? We're not having the little tickies, right? You know, you can have some really stressful days, you know, as a new mommy. You know, you're there home alone with them while hubby's out working and stuff. We could have at least, you know, put them in a stroller and just come, you know, stroll. I was just there in the house. I never know I may have all of this. Can you believe it? And now, you know, everybody is basically grown. Let's talk about uncomfortable. This seat here is so uncomfortable. We're all over the place trying to find a comfortable spot. Babe, if you behave yourself, you know. You must see a need to behave yourself. What a pretty bird. Don't want the pretty man. Don't want the pretty bad babe. Babe, it's comfortable. No man, it's good. Me I tell you, treachery. How about awesome milk on the tree them, babe? You know, so everyone of them are white, right?
Hmm?
You know, so every tree are white. And the letter Y. Hmm? When the Most High send out the sun on your love, this is how it shines. Beautiful. So relaxing, baby. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. So nice, man. The sun will junk you.
You ever lie down in the boiling sun like this and sleep?
When I get up, I'm tired, you know.
Like so, and
I'm sweating now, babe.
feel this right now.
Babe, take off this now. You're not.
No, I'm not.
No, sir. My hubby is not hot. But it's lovely. And I could have bring my little thing out of the car back, you know. See them water the plants and the flowers and stuff.
Truly.
Yeah.
Scallion in the mirror, babe.
Really? Guys, you want to see scallion? For those who cook, you can come here and get your free scallion. Let me smell it. Baby, sure? No, sir. Oh, yes, baby, scallion. Yum. How dare me? How could I really tell a farmer that it's not scallion? It is scallion.
When we have a problem with them, you have to pop them, you have to read them and cook them same time.
Because
They put them till tomorrow the same.
Yes,
The flavor and
I remember when.
everything.
Yeah, it's true, because I remember when we went to the farm and we get a bunch of it, and the following day
I've won that way.
gone.
I got a bush.
Smell good as a boom.
Yeah, man.
Guys, few years from now, this will be me and Obi alone. All the children will be gone with their husbands and their wives. Just pray, you know, the best for them, and that the Most High will just guide them, and they'll just continue to take heed to the word of the Most High, because that's the best compass one can ever have, you know, to be successful in this life, to thrive, you know, regardless of the odds. With him, trust me, you'll have the most beautiful life, and I want that for them. That's my prayer for them, you know. I just want to know that they are still hanging on. Baby, you're not gonna miss them. I don't know I'm gonna let them go.
It's time to go, but you'll get over it.
As
See,
long as they come home.
it's like when it's small,
Yeah.
that's the way you think now. But actually, when
Yeah.
see the
Yeah,
couple years
become
from now, you
men.
see a big man them in the house and big woman like,
Right.
you know, I go about them business without you have to even company them for like a bus stop or go receive them. Then it just becomes the norm, like, Mom, I'm not coming in today.
Mom, I'm not coming in today.
Tonight.
No, not underneath my roof.
But
No,
before-
baby, that's when them have them own place. Whoa.
You ever see the rain fall, people will come like right here, so, and the rain not fall here, so, but if you go over there, see you wet up.
That powerful in Bobo. Mighty Elohim. But look at it. Elohim is just awesome. The sun a shine, the breeze a blow, and rain a fall.
This is how Mr.
Powerful, man.
I tell you, so you can check and which way the breeze go. You just pick some wood. Like this when the breeze go. See it?
So they go the way there. Obi is testing the direction of the breeze. So I go so. Us back home people, we're smart, you know, we're very unique, you know, we do things, you know. I remember growing up, you know, we used to go outside to check if it's 12 o'clock, you know. We go outside and we stand up.
Stand up on your shoulder.
Yeah, if you stand there, you know, you're standing on a shadow, you know that it's 12 o'clock.
In those days, you never have cell phone. You
Right.
never have technology. But could, you know, tell with the time.
Mm.
So we have to learn to depend on
Nature.
Yeah.
As even with the rooster, remember we could tell like what time, like, you know, we could tell by the rooster crow what time it is, you know. Then crow like the watches. If you pay attention, they crow the watches like 3 o'clock, you know. Then crow 12 o'clock too.
The donkey too.
Real? Oh wow. And then crow 6 o'clock, or you know, 5 o'clock to 6, the crow. That's just awesome.
The donkey too. We could have tell by the donkey. When you hear the donkey bray a certain time, we can tell us at 3 o'clock that. Upon the dot, when you go check. Yeah.
Mighty Elohim. So baby, that means say like the, I don't know if I'm gonna make sense, but like clock, could it be like they use the sun, or as we're talking about the fact where we stand up outside and you know we shadow, you know?
I don't know, but me talk about like in the night.
No, I'm saying could it be that's how clock come in, like how they set the clock? It could be,
Maybe.
Because think about it, it makes sense. Because if we do what we just talk about and we look on the clock, it'll go be the time. So it could be they really do use, you know, the clock. I mean the sun, you know, to really, you know, set the clock.
As I said, my grandmother, she wake up in the morning and she just look out and she can't tell us. She said, no, put out on the clothes.
Rain or
and she tell her the sign. You know, she said, if you see the bird and going up to the hills, rain. I just let them ever send it now. And not only that, like we look on the cloud too and said, you know, it's going to rain.
Because the cloud black.
Yeah, but over here you can't tell the difference.
And in Jamaica, baby, like, you know, for myself who live in, you know, the hills, St. Andrew. I'm from St. Andrew. You know, we could tell if rain the St. Mary. That
you can see it.
Yeah.
Even we look over in Natabi, we can see Natabi and wash where no rain in their country. Down the black and you see the rain, you know, everything. Or sometimes we up here, rain fall like crazy when you go to Natabi down the dry.
Alright guys, so hubby and myself we're gonna, you know, chill a little bit, maybe walk around some more and then the little ticky them. Daddy pick the people them scallion.
Make your pot nice.
Smell good now the rice and peas, boom. Why there's so much scallion, you know, in a
America used to be the land of the Indians.
Okay.
And that's where they used to plant shell out and
you're that guy?
scallions and stuff like that. So everywhere you go.
Scallion, yeah? Escallion or green onion. Look baby. Look over there. We have to go back up there. Alright. Oh wow. They're building a gazebo, guys. How beautiful this is. What are they planting, baby? Maybe we can walk through. Come now. Oh. Okay, sugar. They're watering the plants. Guys, my fish on again. Look at them, man. Look at them pretty baby. Wow. Yeah. As then come out, they just, you know, pretty man, watch it. Breathtaking. I love the purple ones. They're so pretty. I think they are my favorite. Pretty man.
Psalm chapter 91. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of Yahweh, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. For He will deliver you from the snare of the fowler, and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His feathers. Under His wings you will take refuge.
Well guys, it's time for us to head back because presently my alarm is sounding off.
His faithfulness is your shield and rampart. You shall not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flies by day, nor of the pestilence that walks in darkness, nor of the destruction that wastes at noonday.
You, yeah, troublemaker.
Somebody behind you.
Hello.
1,000 may fall at your side,
What was bad rude?
and 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You will only look with your eyes, and see the recompense of the wicked. Because you have made Yahweh your refuge, and the Most High your dwelling place, no evil shall happen to you, neither shall any plague come near your dwelling. For he will put his angels in charge of you, to guard you in all your ways. They will bear you up in their hands, so that you won't dash your foot against a stone. You will tread on the lion and cobra. You will trample the young lion and the serpent underfoot. Because he has set his love on me, therefore I will deliver him. I will set him on high, because he has known my name. He will call on me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him, and honor him. I will satisfy him with long life, and show him my salvation.
Guys, we picked up the boys, and we ended up here at the ice cream shop. I'm gonna get some ice cream. Spring is here again, so ice cream shop open. Boys are excited, right, Jerry? Excited? While coming, guys, we had stopped to get some gas, and I'm telling you, you know when they touch the handle of the nozzle, whatever it is, my hand feels so contaminated, even though I use sanitizer to, you know, kind of get rid of the germs. My hand feels so dirty, so I'm gonna go wash my hand right now.
Hi guys, we're at the ice cream place. The peacock, you should have seen it open its feathers.
Hands are clean now, guys, ready to hold on to my ice cream cone. Wash your hand, guys, wash your hands. Wash your hand, pup. Sweet mouth daddy here. You're welcome. Cheers. Enjoying the ice cream? Them ice cream are nice. Enjoying the ice cream, baby. So what ice cream flavor you have? And Joey's having chocolate.
Joel, you need to turn the ice cream on the grinder road.
I'm enjoying this. This ice cream is enjoyable. And Obi and myself, we got grape nuts with rum and raisins. So 1 scoop of each. How much one cone again? $8? $7 something. That's all? It's worth it. Lovely. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We hope that you liked today's video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
The day that I made